Got funds in your Shein wallet from returns or promotions and want to withdraw them? Accessing your Shein wallet balance can be useful. In this guide, I'll show you how to generally withdraw money from your Shein wallet. To withdraw money from your Shein wallet, log into your Shein account on their website or app. Navigate to My Wallet or Shein Wallet under your profile. You'll see your current balance. Look for an option like Withdraw, Refund to Original Payment Method, or Transfer to Card. Shein typically allows you to withdraw the wallet balance back to the original payment method used for the purchase that resulted in the wallet credit, e.g. the credit card or PayPal account. Finally, specify the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction. The withdrawal process can take a few business days to reflect on your bank or card statement. Ensure your original payment method is still valid. And there you have it. Withdrawing money from your Shein wallet is a specific process. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.